of messing around today in Keystone, South Dakota. So we decided to do a very short hike today to the Hippie Hole. It's supposedly a place you can hike in a mile and a half or so, and there's a waterfall and people do some cliff diving. We're obviously not going to be doing that now because it's 24 degrees, unless I can talk Kim into it. Yeah. So I must say that in Glacier National Park, you swam in Iceberg Lake with icebergs. Are you going in today?
So we hiked into what's called Hippie Hole South today, just outside of Keystone, South Dakota, about 3.5 miles from the actual town of Keystone. And I would say this hike has just about everything you would want out of a hike.